Boys, how you been? Edwards is frig out day out in Inwood. Perfect day to friggin' figure out why the trailer lights aren't working on the red dragoon. Neighbor's gonna borrow it again to tow his situation, but I wonder why they don't work. I wonder what it could possibly be. Let's have a Santis.
Yeah, this is just straight canvas. One canvas is torn, it's got a little mold on it with the roof leak, but the rest of the trailer's in great shape, seal up the roof. So I might use that for a bit, but this guy I stopped to help the other night, he's got a 1998 Ford F350 power stroke diesel. Mint fucking condition. No, pickup dually, cab and a half dually.
Oh, okay.
And it is in mint condition, only 180,000 kilometers on it. We've got this camper up on the back. Those campers are brand new.
So these friggin' Cummins, they got these Dumpapini fuses on there, and I don't have an extra. That one was blown, so I had to just solder friggin' another one on there, and we'll just jab it in there like that. I mean, we'll have to squidge it down there, of course, but hopefully it fits under the box. Probably not. Zero fucks and customs. But yeah, the trailer brake lights are just completely decked, and we got to figure that out, because it's cheaper than a ticket. But yeah, just wanted to show you the old solder tech. Should have probably used a smaller one, but zero fucks. Oh boys, you're not even gonna believe it. We're like friggin' whirring speechless here in Inwood. Let's see what we got. Brake lights. Turn her up! No squeezy? You feel it? Right on. Decent. She's a little copper-wampus in the connector, but whatever. Better than a kick in the dink, I guess.
Usually.
We'll have to extend those wires at some point, but at least we know which ones are which, and shit works and blah blah blah. But anyways, yeah, let's see what we can get on to now. Well, just making up some nudas. The other one's shoots, so friggin' rights. That'll do, eh? Look at these ones though, right from the factory. They're not even the same, eh? Good friggin' grief. Holy shnikes, boys, look at that one. Good lord. What is really going on? Ooh. Creaky and Groany. That's the trailer's name. Creaky and Groany. Holy suffering. Wow. Got the trailer lights working now and the trailer brakes, so this go around should be a little more apopsutic. At least a little bit. Friggin' decent. Fixed the trailer ramps too. Got the longer extendo R-scolios, so don't have to cock around with the shit. The ramps are a little bit on an angle there, but zero fucks. Well, let this be a lesson to you. Eh? See what happens?
Yeah. Look at this.
See what happens, bud?
Look at this.
Where are we looking?
We are looking at a very bad water damage.
We are looking where a piece of shit went flopping down onto the ground under the trailer. Buddy. Like, how many fucking layers of floor are on this?
Oh, they just kept going, bud.
That's fucking, this is paneling. Look at the fucking, look at the angle. Sink drains into here, so like, this whole area is and just tub. Filled to, well yeah, the tub too. It's like totally filled with jankum smut. Like, fucking genius.
So when we cut this, we got to keep this like this and get it out and not drain any.
Oh, she got a bit of the overcastage in friggin' inwards there. Okay. But man, this friggin' situation with the loader stressing me out terrible. Buddy, yeah. you gotta stop doing such good work in Inwood, man.
Hey,
I got
on the phone.
The guy you're sucking off?
Fucking Mark.
Mark.
Hold on, Chris wants to say hi.
Buddy, who's this new dude? Who's the new dude?
In the background.
Who's that? This is the tractor driver.
No, he was saying the guy in the background on the picture.
Yeah.
Who's the new dude?
Are you cheating on Rick?
It's the Redneck Movers.
Oh man.
I told you it was a mover guy, I knew it.
Oh man, so you're sucking off the mover guy? Hey? Oh,
Alright, I'll give you a call later.
Get him! You get him!
There's a rumor going around what your nickname was Samsonite.
Destinite?
Samsonite.
Samsonite? Who? That's your name?
Oh, you.
Me?
So what's the...
Meat tenders were saying something about it.
Who? Meat tender? I don't get it, dude.
What's that?
Was that a joke?
Yeah.
Hilarious.
Fuck, I'm pissing myself.
You're good at that, big time.
Alright, I'll call you later.
So you'll bite me, but you won't bite intruders. Awesome.
He was almost biting them.
Yeah. Fuck, you do good work. So what's
I got
up?
all the layer off, now I got the last layer to take off. That's it.
Oh man,
Up
I
she
don't think
comes.
they put near enough nails in there.
Oh, look at this, eh? I got all the nails though.
1, 2, 3, 4. Like,
Yep, this is it.
you gotta.
But look at this, dude. It's not even on a joist. It wasn't even on a joist. The joist is like, we need to frame this in.
Yeah, you need to put more
We
frame
need
in
2x6s.
Oh, I got lots.
Okay,
of
let me show me where they are. I need.
Fuck, they're all over the place. You just gotta look for them, buddy.
For those.
You just gotta look
Yeah,
for them,
but I
buddy.
don't
You don't
wanna
even
take
have
something
shoes
back.
on, dude.
Yeah, I know. I fucked up my shoe today.
Oh, you fucked up your
I'll
shoe.
give you a spare key. I'll just put it in the driveway somewhere.
So what are you doing?
I made a mark on the exhaust.
Oh, you need it cut?
Yeah, just cut it off where it is and just leave it on the ground and I'll come grab it and drag it over. I fucking stepped on like a 3-inch screw today.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so I fucking limping on this foot.
Hey, dude.
Great.
You got no shoes, man.
Oh, he stepped on a big nail or screw or something. Was it a screw?
Yeah, it's a screw.
Oh, those go in nice. Oh, yeah. They come out real
they take
nice
their
too.
time, eh?
Yeah,
And they hurt more.
they just force their way in. Terrible. Careful. Yeah, you got to stop doing such good work. Hey? You gotta knock that off.
Yeah.
Hey? I apologize. Fucking look at my truck, man. Awesome. Right on, man. Oh, yeah, I just had a splendid time. Oh, and look at that. The battery's dead. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know. Hold on a second, I need another battery. But yeah, I took like I was in the area anyway. I had to go to Walmart to pig iron quick, and when I got my tires, that crappy tire, they only put 50 in the back. So need 80 in the back, 60 in the front. They only put 50 in the back. So when I was towing trailer, it's all squidgy, right? So I go there and I'm like, oh, I need nitrogen because like I'm an idiot and I put nitrogen in my tires instead of just air. And I don't want to just put air in it to get it, you know what I mean? Because that defeats the whole nitrogen, you know what I mean? So they're like, oh yeah, it's $4. I'm like, okay, fucking, so I gotta make a work order. Gotta make a work order to put air in the tires, nitrogen in tires. So that literally takes forever. She didn't know how to spell nitrogen. So that, just spelling nitrogen took her 10 minutes. Okay, not a big deal, whatever, you know, I'm just standing there. So buddy grabs the truck, he pulls it around, I watch him, he hooks up the fronts, psh, right away, 60, okay, good, like it beeps right away, there was no need to add any in the front. Go to the back, psh, okay, it's taking it. Thing after like 20 minutes beeps. And see what happens when you shit in the trailer?
Hey buddy.
It was a bad idea, wasn't it? Should have never done that.
Right in the sun.
Should have never done that.
Let's do this job when the sun's right on you.
Yeah, but yeah, you should have never done that, eh? That was a bad idea, wasn't it?
Well, it was a good idea.
Oh, it was a good idea.
You wouldn't have known about this.
Oh, exactly.
Like this would have just kept going and kept going and
just
kept going
rattan.
and just spread it.
Just rattan.
Oh, I would have been dead. I would have been breathing this shit in, man.
Yeah.
No good.
No good.
Now look, all good.
Okay? Freaking
so
right.
Listen.
That's what happens when you shit in the trailer with no fucking plumbing.
Hey.
Who fucking does that? Did you get those turds out from under there? For fuck's sakes.
We don't need framing in here because this is on the steel beams.
Yeah.
We only needed it in there.
No worries.
There's nothing.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is cut 21 by 6 or 21 by 6 for under. Because that plywood right around the corner here. And under. So
I got some heavy shit for the top.
Yeah, but I got all the insulation. So when I put that piece under, I can re-insulate this whole floor.
Yeah.
And then we get the thick shit and on top.
Yeah, exactly.
And now you got a solid floor. Like, look.
Oh, she's moving though too.
But it's on the beam, eh? Like this is a beam here, that's a beam, that's the beam, and that's a beam.
Yeah.
So it's pretty solid.
Right on.
We're good. And I fixed the drain. I put it down more because this was all spray foam under this, remember? That's why it was all the way up here.
Wow.
And because the drain was going up, then down, then up, and like...
Yeah, that's no good.
So now it's going down, 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 down. Because you know why? Because their boot here, this is the way they should have had it, and their boot here already cracked from a long time ago.
Yeah.
At the top here.
Oh, good fucking lord.
Right?
Wow.
Like, unbelievable. Look at a hack job.
But see...
They hacked out the frame, you know?
Oh, yeah, I know. But, so anyways, yeah. So, they can't put 80 in the back. She's like, okay, you know, your truck's ready. I'm like, so, this and that. She's like, oh, but we could only put 60 in the back. And I'm like, so you couldn't put 80 in the back? Nope. But you told me you could. You went and checked. Yep, I can. Come back. Nope, can't. So, I watched the guy put, I'm like, yeah, but he didn't put any in the front. And he only put 60 in the back. I need 80. So what are you charging me for? She's like, oh, this and that. I'm like, well, I just need to talk to somebody. And then so she goes around the corner and she's like muttering to some dude. And I'm like, you know, so I just walk right over there. And Buddy's like totally just leaves his back to me. And he just says, just send him on his way. You know? It's like, what the fuck? I apologize. Eh? I fucking apologize. Oh, and I ordered that fucking thing from Walmart, eh? And it's got a UK plug on it, so they sent an adapter.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Like, for fuck's sakes, man. Just brain damaged. But, anyways, I gotta go to Chadman and pick up some cabinet things with the, you know, the small drawers.
Yeah.
Anyways, just got back. I'm picking up a little bit of the cabinet. Got these two cabinets, 18 bucks, but had to drive for an hour and a half. Gotta cut the exhaust off this for the neighbor. That'll be fun. And this, like, come on. Why would you even? Bro. Looks like it's got a cat on it anyways. For frig's sakes, aluminum rims. But like, good lord, what the fuck? No go. But yeah, check that out. Inwood custom peony ramp. Leaner backers, way more mucho better. Let's go check on Rick. Left him to his own demises for a couple hours here, so. Let's see what he made out. He didn't cut that plywood yet, it doesn't look like. Oh, good lord. I left, oh, what does that stink? Oh, is that the outhouse?
What?
Is that the outhouse that stinks like that? Oh. Fucking Rick's Jankum den. Buddy. Holy, look at that, eh? Oh, were you just rubbing it on your face?
So itchy, man, like just covered.
Oh, you just rubbed it on your face?
Why?
Why would you do that?
Whatever, renovations.
Holy, look at that. It's gonna be warmer as a frig sack in
Hottest
here.
room in the house.
Yeah. Good lord.
Yeah, it's gonna be done right, buddy.
Friggin' right.
Would
Look at
be
the duct work. Oh, we need the duct cleaning dicks. Oh,
big time. Now you can get him here
Yeah.
and tell him to come do this.
Oh, that's him. thought that was a little rug
nice.
fucking rat in
He
the
sounds like it,
sealer word there, but
So I just got to finish this corner here, then insulate this, and that's it.
that's too many joists in the floor.
What?
That's too many joists.
I wish I had more. You know how many times I step back and oh yeah, there's none because they're only over here because I put them in. Everything should be.
Oh man, that you got to stop shitting in there, bud. That's fucked. What the fuck is that? Oh my goodness, that was a bad idea.
What do you even smell? I don't smell anything.
You can't smell that.
No.
You can't smell friggin' Rick's Jankum Den.
I smell the fire. Burning.
Good lord. Did you see my new truck?
Yeah.
That's a good one, eh?
Spare tire. Just
That's
hanging
good.
there the whole way home, man.
That's good.
All the way.
So yeah, anyways, boys, friggin' another long day, longest frig day. Got these motion sensor son of a bitches there. Just started cracking them open, have a look on, and so in the next couple of days we'll set that horse shit up. Well, by the time you see this, it'll be good and set up, so you best fuck around. But anyways, boys, let me know what you think. It'll be finger flash again. That like button there, a couple of bitches from earlier in the week, but there you go, another dick problem. I'm talking. Until tomorrow.
Don't let the watchers get you.